Citizens must shelter. Must shelter. Citizens must shelter.
Well, thanks, Mr. Redundant.
Citizens must avoid looking at the SCP Foundation.
Stop staring at me with them big old eyes!
SCP-069 is a dangerous anomaly that has escaped from
WBAP
and is in your area. If it is observed, it will
Give you, David Alexander, to the ducks. Sucks.
To stay safe you must shelter in place. Stay in place. Look outside. Avoid live media. This is the path of
A bag of plums.
If you are in the path of the anomaly, take extra care to obey instructions. Remember that if SCP-069 does not see your face, it will not
Give you to the ducks.
Further instructions and updates will come every hour as the situation develops. The SCP Foundation thanks you for your face station. Citizens must study this.
What did you say?
SCP
69,420.
is a dangerous anomaly that has escaped from. To stay safe you must.
Chat, I am begging you.
This is 9 dunks. If you are in
No.
further instructions and updates will attack. The SCP Foundation.
Be kidding!